You pre-clean, scrub, rub, load, unload. It can take days for the dishwasher to be full. Don't do dishes the old-fashioned way. Do them the easy way. Save water and money. This is Easy Dish. Simply place Easy Dish in your sink and its suction pods will hold it firmly in place. And with over 10,000 cleaning bristles, Easy Dish does the work so you don't have to. Easy Dish is not just for dishes. Clean forks and knives with just one swipe. Easy. You'll never cut yourself on that knife again. Cleaning glasses can be a real pain, but not with Easy Dish. Just dip and spin. So from big to super thin, Easy Dish's unique design cleans the inside and the outside at one time. With Easy Dish, you'll never break another delicate wine glass. The unique design filters just the right amount of soap and water, drawing food and grime to the bottom. Easy Dish has a built-in drain to empty the water and opens with a simple push for easy cleaning. You'll use less water, less soap, less energy, and less time. Clean all these with just one hand. Just dip and spin. With its dual chamber, Easy Dish is the one-stop cleaning and rinsing station for square dishes. Easy. Round dishes. Easy. Cereal bowls. Easy. Silverware. Easy. Large knives, glasses, even delicate wine glasses. Pie and blueberry grime, Easy Dish cleans it all one time. And cleaning baby bottles has never been so easy. Call